Hi, Tom. Time-sensitive networking, or TSN, is something that you're really into these days. Tell us a little more.
Hello, Bill. Thanks for the opportunity to do this. I'm very excited about lots of things going on in the industry. One of the things I'm very excited about is what you just said. The words TSN stands for time sensitive networking. Bill, this is kind of a game-changing technology, and it's really very innovative that really supports the whole foundation of the digital transformation. And so one of the things and the reason I'm so excited about TSN, and I looked at it a number of years ago and I said, this stuff that's really good for audiovisual is actually good for industrial automation. And it allows the whole concept of having multiple networks running on the same physical wire. And that's a very important thing because when you talk about converged networks, Bill, it's the opportunity to take all these different disparate devices and disparate networks that are in your typical factory,
Hmm.
and everybody has their own favorite devices and favorite networks. But imagine if I can make them all run on one wire. And that's what the TSN technology is all about. So it takes the best of, allowing Profinet and CC-Link and Ethernet IP and EtherCAT, and more importantly, running TCP/IP on the same wire. So imagine I can do printing and not affect my control environment. That's why I'm excited about the TSN technology.
Okay. Well, you've done more than get excited about it. There's an organization called CLPA. Could you tell us about that?
So CLPA stands for the CC Link Partner Association, and it's Mitsubishi's network, kind of like, Siemens is Profinet and Rockwell is Ethernet IP. Well, we've been pushing the technology of CC-Link, i.e. TSN, as the foundation and getting a lot of different vendors together to support the TSN technology and this protocol. So they can take all this great stuff with the CC-Link technology and have all these different devices now on that same network, and they're leveraging the TSN technology. So I joined Mitsubishi and CLPA about 4 years ago. Obviously, my background is prior to that, I was investigating TSN as the foundation of my work with the OPC Foundation and what we're doing there.
Okay. Could you expand a little bit more on CC Link? Is this just a particular implementation of TSN or what?
So CC Link has a long history and it's over 20 plus years old. And it added the CC Link IE TSN technology to its portfolio. So CC Link is really about a whole family of industrial networks and a family of different things that addresses all the different field devices and programmable controllers being able to operate seamlessly. We added the TSN technology back in 2018 and really have now taken that to the next level. And there's a lot of different vendors that are now incorporating that directly into the technology. And what I always talk about, Bill, is the importance of success is measured by the level of adoption. So what's happening is there's just multiple vendors that are now adding the protocol natively to their devices to really support the digital transformation.
Well, thank you very much for filling us in on TSN, CC Link, and CLPA.